Looking for the best 3D printer to bring your ideas to life in 2025? Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a pro, we've got the top picks that deliver precision, speed, and innovation. Stay tuned as we break down the best options available this year. And for the latest prices and details, check out the link in the description. Now let's dive in. Number 5. Elegoo Mars. 3. The Elegoo Mars. 3 is a cutting-edge resin 3D printer that has garnered significant attention in the 3D printing community for its impressive features and performance. As of the latest updates, the price for the Elegoo Mars 3 typically hovers around $249, although prices may vary slightly depending on the retailer and any ongoing promotions or discounts. This printer boasts a powerful monochrome LCD screen, which allows for faster printing speeds and greater durability compared to traditional RGB screens. Users can expect remarkable print quality with resolutions up to 4K, ensuring that intricate details in models are captured with precision. In addition to its impressive print output, the Mars 3 also offers a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned 3D printing enthusiasts alike. Its compact design ensures it can fit easily into various workspaces, while its robust build quality speaks to Elegoo's commitment to creating reliable products. For the most accurate and up-to-date pricing, it's advisable to check well-known retailers such as Amazon, Newegg, and the official Elegoo website. These platforms often provide customer reviews, detailed specifications, and comparisons with other models, further aiding in the purchasing decision. Overall, the Elegoo Mars 3 stands out as a top choice for those looking to explore the world of resin 3D printing, combining performance, affordability, and user-friendly features in one impressive package. Number 4. Anycubic Photon. Mono 2, the Anycubic Photon. Mono 2 is a cutting-edge resin 3D printer that has garnered attention for its impressive capabilities and user-friendly features. As of the latest pricing updates, the Photon Mono 2 is typically available around $249 to $299, depending on the retailer and any ongoing promotions. When looking for detailed information about the Anycubic Photon Mono 2, several top-ranked websites on Google can provide valuable insights. For instance, the official Anycubic website offers comprehensive specifications, user guides, and customer support resources. Review sites such as Tom's Hardware and 3D Printing Industry often feature in-depth reviews that highlight the printer's performance, print quality, and comparisons with other models in the market. Additionally, user forums and communities like Reddit or 3D printing enthusiast groups can offer first-hand experiences from users who have tested the Photon Mono 2. These platforms can be invaluable for learning about practical applications, troubleshooting common issues, and discovering tips for optimizing print results. Overall, the Anycubic Photon Mono 2 stands out for its high-resolution printing capabilities, fast printing speeds, and improved stability, making it a compelling choice for both beginners and more experienced 3D printing enthusiasts. For the most current prices and availability, checking multiple online retailers such as Amazon, eBay, and specialized 3D printing shops is recommended. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 SE. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE has garnered significant attention in the 3D printing community as an advanced iteration of the popular Ender 3 series. Known for its affordability and high-quality prints, the V3 SE incorporates several enhancements that set it apart from its predecessors. As of now, the latest price for the Creality Ender 3v3 SE varies by retailer, but it typically ranges from approximately $249 to $299, depending on promotions and specific features included in the package. For the most accurate and up-to-date pricing, it's advisable to check reputable e-commerce sites such as Amazon, eBay, and the official Creality website. This 3D printer boasts a range of impressive features, including a larger build volume, improved print speed, and a more user-friendly interface. The V3 SE is equipped with a silent motherboard, which helps reduce noise during operation, a significant plus for home users. Additionally, the printer supports various filament types, ranging from PLA to TPU, making it versatile for different printing projects. Furthermore, the Ender 3 V3 SE is praised for its easy assembly process and robust community support. Numerous online resources, including forums, YouTube videos, and guides, provide valuable insights and troubleshooting tips, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users. Number 2. Prusa MK4S. The Prusa MK4S has made a significant mark in the 3D printing community, hailed for its advanced features and reliability. As of the latest pricing information available from various top-ranked websites, the Prusa MK4S typically retails for around $999. This price can vary slightly depending on the retailer and any additional accessories or upgrades you may choose. One of the most notable aspects of the MK4S is its user-friendly design, which caters to both beginners and experienced users. The printer is equipped with an upgraded E3D hotend, allowing for higher temperature printing, and features such as automatic bed leveling for enhanced precision. Many users report that this model provides exceptional print quality and is versatile enough to handle a range of materials from standard PLA to more advanced filaments. In terms of assembly, the Prusa MK4S is available in both a kit form for those who enjoy building their own machines and a fully assembled option for those who prefer to start printing right away. Reviews across various platforms praise the thoroughness of the assembly manual and the support community that Prusa has fostered, making troubleshooting and optimization easier for users. For those looking to purchase the MK4S, it's advisable to check reputable websites such as Prusa's official site, Amazon, and specialty 3D printing retailers. Additionally, frequent promotions or discounts may be available, so it's worth keeping an eye out for seasonal sales or bundles that include essential accessories like filament or upgraded parts. Number 1. Bambu Lab X 1 Carbon. The Bambu Lab X. 1 Carbon is making waves in the 3D printing community thanks to its advanced features and cutting-edge technology. Priced competitively in the market, it offers an impressive combination of performance and versatility that appeals to both hobbyists and professionals alike. As of now, the latest price for the Bambu Lab X 1 Carbon is approximately $999, though prices may vary slightly depending on the retailer and any ongoing promotions or discounts. It's advisable to check reputable online platforms like Amazon, Bambu Lab's official website, and specialized electronics retailers for the most accurate and up-to-date pricing. In terms of specifications, the X1 Carbon boasts a powerful dual-gear direct drive extruder that enables precise filament control, making it compatible with a wide range of materials, from PLA to more advanced filaments like nylon and carbon fiber. Its robust design includes a carbon fiber reinforced frame, providing exceptional stability during printing and ensuring high-quality output. One of the standout features of the X1 Carbon is its rapid printing capability. With a maximum print speed of 500 mm/s, it significantly reduces production time without compromising on quality. Additionally, the printer comes equipped with advanced AI-powered features, including object recognition and automatic bed leveling, which enhance the overall user experience and streamline the printing process.